To load ink cartridges in your printer for the first time, gently shake each one back and forth approximately 15 times. Open the left ink bay door and insert cartridges, making sure to match each cartridge color with its color slot. As you load each cartridge, the on-screen menu will confirm when each is loaded properly. After all cartridges are installed in both left and right ink bays, close both ink bay doors to begin the ink initialization process. Let the process continue uninterrupted. After a few minutes of initialization, the on-screen menu system will provide you with confirmation via a ready screen when the process is done. These printers let you monitor ink levels from the touch panel's home screen. You can also tap on this bar to see levels in more detail, as well as ink cartridge part numbers and the status of the maintenance box. To replace cartridges when they display ink out, not low, open the ink bay door, remove the empty cartridge, and replace it with a new cartridge of the same color. You can mix and match sizes using 150, 350, or 700 milliliter ink cartridges as needed. The maintenance box can be found on the back right-hand side of the printer. To replace, simply remove from the tray and replace with an Epson replacement maintenance box. The 44-inch SCP-9570 has an additional maintenance box on the back left-hand side.